Changes you make to the data cannot be saved to the original source database. So to retain changes made in the FMR Manager, we need to create a version file. This ensures the integrity of the original database remains intact. There are no limits to the number of version files you can create. After you've completed working on the current version, you'll want to save it. The next sequence shows the actions needed to do just that. Click on the Save Version icon to start the save procedure. The Save dialog box appears, and by default the save file name is the same as the original source file. We're going to use the default name, but we'll extend the name by appending version 1 to the default name. This provides a handy method for signifying the nature or objective of the version. Once you're happy that the file name works for you, click the Save button. After the version file has been saved, you'll be given the option to create version notes. This is particularly useful for describing what the version has achieved or highlighting any irregular scenarios within the version. This top section is where you can create a new note for your version. The lower section holds all of the historical notes concerning your version. You can view the notes associated with the version file, or you can add further notes. Click on the Notes icon. From the Notes icon drop-down box, click on the Version Notes icon. You can see the version notes. This is a test for version 1, which was added a few moments ago. Note that the date and time the note was created has been captured, as well as the user name. Here we can add further notes if appropriate. There are no limits to the number of version notes you can add, and all of the history notes are retained too. The final sequence shows an uninterrupted save event. This overwrites the initial file which was saved earlier. Version notes are not mandatory, so if there are no notes to add, simply click on the Cancel button.